Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, mag-i-install ako ng OEM na dashcam kay BYD. So ito is yung order ko sa Shopee, around 1.8. So OEM or parang original parts or accessories siya kasi nakalagay din dito is naka BYD. So how to remove or how to install is you just need to clip and clip. Parang you just need to pull here some each side until you can hear clips until all the sides. So saan siya malocate? In the back of the rear mirror or center mirror. And pag backlash mo, meron ka nang makitang ganito, naka-cover siya. Ito, nakikita mo to. Naka-cover siya ng plastic and nakatali siya with a fabric tape. So you just need to pull it and then remove the plastic and insert this one. So how to make it work? So you just need to connect it, and then you need to restart the volume knob here. Hold until it will restart the head unit. So right now na-restart ko na siya, and then ito yung output. So magpa-prompt siya na no SD card detected. So you need a SD card. So since I have already a SD card, you need to insert it here below. You can see that. Lalagyan ng SD card. And then meron din siyang settings. Ilan yung duration. So advisable is 5 minutes at least. Malaki yung coverage ng video. So I'll just pause this video and then I'll just finished installing the dashcam from BYD. Okay, so natapos na siyang i-install. So yan, na-clip na sa lahat. You can hear wala na siyang nakaabang. And then by the way, you can see it here. You can see it here sa camera. So yan yung camera. So yung nakaabang dyan is rubber. So ito yung rubber. Here, there's the rubber. So you need to remove this rubber as well. Kasi ito yung nakaabang dyan kung wala ka pang dashcam. So yun to remove, and then when you insert the camera, you could hear a tick na install na siya sa clips. So once okay na siya, and this is the final output. So I'll just remove the headlight. So good thing meron akong OEM na dashcam. So that's it. Bye.